Hey everyone, and welcome back to Vienna Home. Okay, quick question. Have you ever walked into your home at the end of a long day, dropped your keys, looked around, and instead of feeling that happy, relaxing, I'm home feeling, you just felt blah? Like, it's fine, it's a place to sleep, but it doesn't spark any joy. It doesn't feel like you. You scroll through Pinterest and Instagram and see all these gorgeous, vibrant homes and think, I wish. But then your brain immediately jumps to the cost, the contractors, the mess of a full-on renovation, and you just push the dream away. But what if I told you that you don't need a massive budget or a demolition crew to totally transform the vibe of your space? What if I told you the secret to a major home glow-up isn't in one giant, expensive project, but in a bunch of small, crazy, impactful upgrades? Today, we are skipping the major renovations and diving deep into the little secrets, the small, affordable changes that make a huge difference. Get ready to take your home from blah to absolutely beautiful. All right, let's start with one of my all-time favorite super easy upgrades. I like to call it your home's jewelry. Updating your hardware. I'm talking about the cabinet handles in your kitchen, the knobs on your bathroom vanity, the pulls on that old dresser. Most homes, especially rentals, come with the most basic, boring, builder-grade hardware imaginable. It's functional, but it has zero personality. Swapping it out is a total game changer, and no joke, it can take you less than an hour. Think about it like changing the buttons on a plain black coat. You could add sleek matte black pulls for a modern industrial vibe, or some gorgeous brush brass handles for a touch of glam. It's such a small detail, but it instantly makes your cabinetry look more custom and expensive. All you need is a screwdriver and your new hardware. It's renter-friendly too. Just keep the old knobs in a bag and swap them back before you move out. Next up, let's talk about something that completely controls the mood of a room: lighting. If your home still has those generic flush mount boob lights on the ceiling, you know the ones, this is for you. You do not have to be an electrician to make a huge impact here. Swapping out a basic light fixture for a cool pendant light, a modern chandelier, or even a stylish semi-flush mount can elevate a room instantly. It becomes a statement piece, a work of art on your ceiling. But even if you can't change the fixtures, you can change the light itself. Pay attention to your light bulbs. Are they that harsh, cool-toned, almost blue light that makes you feel like you're in a hospital? Swap them for warm white LEDs. It'll make your space feel cozier and more inviting in seconds. And for bonus points, get smart bulbs. Being able to dim the lights with your phone or change their color to match your mood, that's some next-level glow-up energy right there. Okay, my third tip is about the power of paint, but not in the way you might be thinking. I'm not talking about the massive project of painting a whole room, which can feel super daunting. I'm talking about strategic, high-impact painting. Think smaller. One of the coolest trends right now is painting your interior doors. Imagine your plain white doors painted a deep, moody green or a chic, dusty black. It adds so much character and drama with very little effort. Another idea? Paint an arch on a plain wall to create a cool focal point behind a desk or a headboard. Or take that old, scuffed-up piece of furniture you found on the side of the road, give it a fresh coat of paint, and turn it into a custom piece that no one else has. A little bit of paint can make old things feel brand new and make your space feel professionally designed. All right, secret number 4 is all about texture and softness. Never, ever underestimate the power of textiles. Your room can have the most beautiful furniture, but if the textiles are off, the whole vibe will feel flat. This is where you can have so much fun. Ditching the flat, sad throw pillows that came with your sofa and adding in new ones with different textures, colors, and patterns will instantly revive your living room. Layering a couple of cozy throws over the arm of a chair or the foot of your bed adds warmth and a lived-in feel. And here's my favorite textile trick: hang your curtains high and wide. Don't just mount the curtain rod right above the window frame, hang it several inches higher, close to the ceiling, and extend it wider than the window on both sides. This simple illusion makes your windows look huge and your ceilings feel so much taller. It's a designer secret that costs nothing but makes your room feel grand. Last but not least, let's bring some life into your space. Literally, go green. I'm talking about plants. A room without a plant is a room that's missing something. Plants add color, texture, and natural beauty. They purify the air, and they've been proven to boost your mood. And you do not need a green thumb. Start with something easy, like a snake plant or a ZZ plant. They practically thrive on neglect. If you want a bigger statement, a monstera or a bird of paradise can become the living centerpiece of your room. Plus, finding a cool pot or planter is another way to add style and personality. You see, none of these things involve tearing down a wall or spending thousands of dollars. But when you add them all up, the stylish new hardware, the warm and moody lighting, the pop of color on a door, the cozy textures, and the vibrant green of a plant, your home starts to tell a story. It starts to feel like a reflection of you. Your home should be your sanctuary. It should be the place you can't wait to get back to at the end of the day because it recharges you and makes you feel good. And creating that feeling doesn't have to wait until you have your forever home. You can and you should love the space you're in right now. These little upgrades are acts of self-care. They're you investing in your own daily happiness. So I challenge you to pick just one of these ideas this weekend and try it. Swap out those cabinet poles. Buy a new plant. I promise that small change will spark a little bit of joy, and that's what a glow up is all about. If you loved these tips and are ready to make your space a place you're absolutely obsessed with, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join the Vienna Home family. I've got so much more to share with you. Let me know in the comments which upgrade you're gonna try first. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Now go make your home feel amazing. I'll see you in the next one.